Mabuhay! Hello everyone, I am Jubilin Biari, BSHM 1C. Today, I'll talk about the globalization and how it shaped my life as a Filipino student. First, understanding globalization. For me, globalization is the way people, ideas, and goods move freely across borders, linking our lives no matter where we are in the world. On the positive side, globalization has also made Filipino creative content like art idea films and OPM music reach audience in others countries, making me proud of your cultural global impact and negative effects. If personally seen, it's on your environment, the world demand our imported goods, means more shipping and packaging waste and if notice more plastic litter in your local public markets as disposable product from abroad become more common. Personal reflection. Being a responsible global citizen means recognizing that my choices affect others beyond your choice while also honoring my roots as a Filipino is about being aware, empathetic, and taking action no matter how small to build a better shared world. Once again, I am Jubilant BRE, BSHM 1C. We are all connected. We are all this together. Thank you.